we are going to learn about the gradient, divergence and curl of a vector quantity. So first of all, we are going to define what is gradient of a scalar function. So number one in this chapter is gradient of a scalar function. Gradient of a scalar function. Defining the gradient of a scalar function, we have to consider or define a certain new quantity which is called del operator. Del operator is written as this in this form, and it is equal to I cap dou by dou x j cap dou by dou y plus k cap dou by dou z. Let phi, which is a function of x, y, z, is a scalar function in a scalar field, and any small increment in phi results in increment in x, y, z as dx, dy, dz. Now partial differentiation के रूल्स हम लोग जानते हैं from rule of partial differentiation. We know that d phi is equal to, if phi is a function of x, y, z, then d phi is equal to dou f by dou x dx, dou f by dou y dy plus dou f by dou z dz. So, to defining the gradient of a scalar function, we have to first know the what is del operator and what is d phi. So d phi is dou phi by dou x dx, dou phi by dou y dy, dou phi by dou x dou z. By dou by dou x, it is partial differentiation of phi with respect to x only, partial differentiation of phi with respect to y, and partial differentiation of phi with respect to z. Now, gradient of scalar phi is denoted by grade of phi, that is del operator operates on the scalar function phi, which is written as we know that del operator is equal to I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z into phi. So therefore it is equal to I cap dou phi by dou x plus j cap dou phi by dou y plus k cap dou phi by dou z. As the last quantity contains I cap, j cap, k cap, all these are vectors, unit vectors. So we can say that gradient, this is in small form, it is also written as grade of phi. So grade of phi is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Next, we are going to find the relation between the gradient of phi with unit vector r. So for that, let us r vector r, which is a position vector, is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So if there is increment in dr in r, so as r is a function of x, y and z, so there will be increment in x, y and z according to r. So we have dx I dyj plus dzk. Now we know that grade phi is equal to I cap rho phi by 2x plus j cap rho phi by 2y plus k cap rho phi by 2z. Therefore, grade of phi dot dr is equal to I rho phi by 2x plus j rho phi by 2y plus k rho phi by 2z dot dr is equal to dx I plus dy j plus dz k. Now, from the property of dot product of two vectors, so we know that from the property of dot product of two vectors, I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1 and k dot k is equal to 1, and the dot product of others are 0. Therefore, in this case we have rho phi by 2x dx, rho phi by rho y dy plus rho phi by rho z dz. And we have already known from the rule of partial differentiation, this is d phi. So grade of phi dot dr is equal to d phi is the exact differential. Exact differential. So in the next article, we are going to learn the geometrical interpretation of gradient of any scalar function. So geometrical meaning of gradient. For that, geometrical meaning of gradient, for that, let there is a scalar field having function phi x, y, z is equal to c, and there is a point P whose position vector is r and the coordinate of P is x, y, z. Similarly, there is a neighboring point Q just near to point P, so its coordinate is x plus delta x, y plus delta y, z plus delta z, and its position vector is r plus delta r. So we have to define these terms one by one. So first, let phi x, y, z is equal to c, where c is a constant, is a scalar field P having coordinate x, y, z, is a point on this field having position vector vector R, and Q is a neighboring point having coordinate x plus delta x, y plus delta y, z plus delta z, and position vector r plus delta r. So what is the value of delta r? Delta r can be written as r plus delta r minus vector r. So r plus delta r can be written as OQ, and this is r. This r is denoted by position vector of P, that is O. So from the triangle of vector addition, if this is a triangle, if there is OPQ is a triangle, so from the triangle of vector addition, OQ minus OP is equal to, so PQ is equal to delta R. Now let this is in terms of R. If we want to write it in the form of x, y, z component, then this can be also can be written as in terms of dx, dy and dz. Now let q tends to p. मान लेते हैं q p की ओर अप्रोच करता है. सो अगर q p की ओर अप्रोच करेगा तो x का वैल्यू x की ओर, y का वैल्यू y की ओर, z का वैल्यू z की ओर जाएगा, और डेल्टा x, डेल्टा y और डेल्टा z क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा. सो इन दिस केस therefore delta x tends to 0, delta y tends to 0, delta z tends to 0, or we can write delta r tends to 0, because delta r is can be written as delta x y plus delta y j plus delta z into k. So when delta r tends to 0, this can be written as dr, and this dr is written as dxi plus dyj plus dzk. हम जानते हैं कि डिफरेंशिएशन में जब डेल्टा एक्स, डेल्टा वाई, डेल्टा जेड 0 की ओर अप्रोच होता है तो वह टोटल डिफरेंशिएशन हो जाता है. सो डी आर इज इक्वल टू डी एक्स आई प्लस डी वाई जे प्लस डी जेड के. ये हो गया हमारा ये फंक्शन. अब जब क्यू पी की ओर अप्रोच कर रहा है, तो अगर हम इसको अगर एक लाइन ले लें तो क्यू पी की ओर अप्रोच करेगा तो पी क्यू क्या बनाएगा ज्योमेट्रिकली? पी क्यू इज ए टेंजेंट टू द सरफेस which is denoted by phi. So PQ, vector PQ or vector dr, vector PQ or vector dr is a tangent to the surface phi. Phi is x, y, z. This is surface. इस surface पे dr या PQ जो होगा वो tangent को denote करेगा. अब आते हैं हम लोग gradient पे. So gradient को हम लोग जानते हैं. What is gradient? Gradient phi, it is grade phi, can be written as I cap dou phi by 2x, j cap dou phi by 2y, and k cap dou phi by 2z. Now, next is find the dot product of this with vector dr. So this is gradient and next dr is dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Again using the property of dot product of I, j and k, we know that I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1 and k dot k is equal to 1. So do phi by do x dx, do phi by do y dy and do phi by do z dz. This is d phi from the rule of partial differentiation. This is assumed equation number 1. So d phi dot dr is equal to d phi. Del gradient of phi dot dr is equal to d phi. But we have assumed that in the beginning we have assumed that phi x y z is equal to c is a constant. If c is a constant, so if we differentiate it, then differentiation of c is equal to 0. Constant quantity का differentiation क्या होता है? 0 होता है. So from equation 1, grade phi dot dr is equal to d phi and d phi is equal to 0. Dot product of two vectors are 0. If dot product of two vectors are 0, then the angle between two are 90 degree. A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. Since A and B cannot be equal to 0, so obviously cos theta will equal to 0. And cos theta, for what angle? The angle of cos theta is 0, it is 90 degree. So therefore grade phi is perpendicular to dr. ग्रेड फाई जो होगा dr का परपेंडिकुलर. अब हम लोग इससे पहले ही न्यू किया थे, प्रूफ कर चुके हैं कि डी फाई जो है दैट इज dr, ये dr क्वांटिटी या pq, ये हमारे सरफेस के टेंजेंट को ड्रॉ करता है. टेंजेंट और टेंजेंट के प्रॉपर्टी से जानते हैं एनी लाइन विच इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द टेंजेंट इज कॉल्ड नॉर्मल. एनी लाइन which is perpendicular to the tangent is normal. So here tangent is dr and we have proved that d phi is perpendicular to dr. That means this normal is represented by grade phi. So geometrically grade phi or gradient of any scalar is नॉर्मल टू दैट सरफेस. दैट मीन्स ग्रेड फाई जो है किसी भी सरफेस में उसके स्केलर फंक्शन के नॉर्मल को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, वो नॉर्मल होता है. टेंजेंट पे ये परपेंडिकुलर होता है. देयरफॉर ग्रेड फाई इज नॉर्मल टू द सरफेस फाई. नॉर्मल टू द सरफेस phi or scalar field. So this is the geometrical meaning of gradient of any function, scalar function phi. Next we are going to study about the divergence of a vector. So if A is a vector denoted by vector A is equal to, in terms of component, axi plus ayj plus azk, axi plus ayj plus azk, then divergence of vector A can be written as divergence of A, that is dot product of del operator with vector A. Dot product of del operator with vector A. Now what is del operator? Del operator is do by do x, j do by do y plus k do by do z. Dot of Vector A is AXI plus AYJ plus AZK, and we know that I dot I is equal to 1, J dot J is equal to 1, and K dot K is equal to 1. So this is 2AX by 2X plus 2AY by 2Y 2AZ by 2Z. And as we see here that there is no IJK term in the final term, so divergence of vector, any vector quantity is a scalar quantity. So divergence is a scalar quantity. Similarly, the last is curl of a vector. So we have defined the divergence of a vector. It is the dot product of A with del operator. Similarly, curl of vector A is denoted by curl of vector A, which is equal to cross product of A with del operator. Cross product of A with del operator. So this can be written as I 2 by 2x plus K 2 by 2y plus J 2 by 2z cross AXI plus AYJ plus AZK. So in the form of determinant, we can write it as IJK dou by 2x dou by 2y dou by 2z, and this is AX, AY, AZ. And as we know that if we solve this, IJK term will comes in the final term. So curl of any vector quantity is a vector quantity. Curl is a vector quantity and divergence is a scalar quantity. Now in the next we are going to solve some problems related to gradient, divergence and curl. So first of all, let's summarize these results in one table. That is, number 1, gradient of phi is denoted by grade phi, which is equal to I dou phi by 2y, or it is also grade phi dou phi by 2x plus J dou phi by 2y plus K dou phi by 2z. Similarly, number 2, divergence of phi is equal to divergence of vector A is equal to divergence of A, which is equal to del dot A. So its final result is dou AX by 2x dou AY by 2y dou AZ by 2z. And number 3, curl of vector A is equal to curl of A is in the determinant form. डिटरमिनेंट फॉर्म में सॉल्व करने में इजी होता है, इसलिए हम डिटरमिनेंट फॉर्म यूज करते हैं। फाइनल रिजल्ट से भी फाइंड किया जा सकता है, लेकिन ये सूटेबल मेथड है, इसी मेथड से सॉल्व करना चाहिए ताकि किसी भी तरह का प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट ना हो। नेक्स्ट, we are using some problems. So first problem is prove that, number 1, prove that R dot gradient into phi is equal to r dot grade of phi. The first problem है where r is a position vector. So proof. Since r is a position vector, so r can be written as xi plus yj plus zk. So it is from LHS r dot grade into phi. तो r को पहले ग्रेड के साथ हम लोग डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेंगे, उसके बाद फिर इसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे, phi के साथ ऑपरेट करेंगे. So this r can be written as xi plus yj plus zk dot gradient का फॉर्मूला I dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou j. ये इसके साथ डॉट प्रोडक्ट हो गया और ये phi के साथ फिर ये ऑपरेट करेगा. So ये हो जाएगा I dot I is equal to 1, J dot J is equal to 1, K dot K is equal to 1. But as x, y, z in the upper sides, मतलब ये पहले है, इसलिए हम लोग लिखेंगे इसको x dou by dou x plus y dou by dou y plus j dou by dou z. फिर ये phi. क्योंकि ये ऑपरेटर है जो phi के साथ ऑपरेट करेगा, तो नेक्स्ट रिजल्ट हो जाएगा x dou phi by dou x plus y dou phi by dou y plus z dou phi by dou z. अब आते हैं RHS में. RHS है r dot grade of phi. R is xi plus yj plus zk. अब ग्रेड phi हम लोग डायरेक्टली यूज करेंगे. dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. तो अगर डॉट प्रोडक्ट लें हम लोग यहाँ पे, तो ये हो जाएगा x dou phi by dou y x y dou phi by dou y plus z dou phi by dou z. तो अगर दोनों को हम लोग देखें इक्वेशन नंबर, इसको अगर 1 ले लें, this is equation number 2 from equation 1 and 2. LHS is equal to RHS. Similarly, the other problems can be solved, which will be solved in the next class and the video.